You guys can see all that. Woo! Oh, this squirrel's gonna get ran over. Woo-hoo-hoo. All right, what's up, guys? This is going to be the first time with these pedals, so I'll see how I like them or not. I see if it affected our speed, which I feel like it would. Yeah, we're gonna get a lot of footage today. I might end up going down, who knows. I'll be 100% honest with you guys, and I don't do off-roading too much, and so I really can't tell you how much off-roading I'm going to do. All I can say is that I might eat shit. So we will see. There's one shiny tire on the back of this Jeep. I really hope I don't go down today. It's not gonna be it's not gonna be fun for me. But I really have been wanting to hit that section for the longest time, and I will say I don't think that this turn light is going to work. And this light I know is never gonna change for me, so I'll keep going. Right behind you, man. Woo! These tires aren't aired down either, so it's slipping and sliding. Yeah, this is fun. Oh shit, it's a big ass board. Oh, this is fun as fuck. I get so irritated at the people that keep telling me, oh yeah, like just get a motorcycle. Can't do this shit with a fucking motorcycle. Putting these shocks to use, I feel like I need to change the shock settings. It's a little loose up front. I can kind of feel it. Chain holding up. Damn, they put a lot of grease everywhere, that's for damn sure. But look, check this out. Can you guys see? I'm pedaling. Oh, I haven't even got 1 mile per hour, but technically you could pedal like this. If you really had to get home, you could pedal like this, but oh, came out of my seat there. Oh my god, it was so fun. Whee! Oh, this is sandy over here. You gotta be careful. Oh, this squirrel's gonna get ran over. Damn, we went pretty far fast. Look at this, look at this. Woo. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Officer, I'm on an electric bike, look at me. I just really hope I don't have any issues with this chain. Like, I really don't. I'm kind of skeptical, but oh, I want to go. Oh, how do I get to the other side? I think I gotta go over the railroad tracks. Woo! This thing is a trip, dude. They're hauling ass, dude. My hands are hurting. I'm holding on so tight to the handlebars. It's really just so I don't eat shit. You know how mad I'd be if I realized I wasn't recording the whole time? I better be. I need to get a picture while I'm up here. Okay, give me a second. I'm gonna get some pictures and I will put them in the video for you too. All right, I sent a message to my buddy. I wanted to see if he was home because I'm right by his house. Woo! Woo-wee! I'm gonna go over the railroad tracks. Fuck it. This bike is not that heavy. My damn phone. Okay. We're on this side. We're on this side. That side. And that side. Now we are on the other side. Let's explore this side first. Woo! I am weak, man. Yeah, doing some burnouts. Dang, it's wet. This is so cool. Motorcycle can't take you up here, shit. My car won't take me up here. Man, I just love like finding places. Hey man, let's just hit some of these straightaways. We're at 62 volts. And be honest, I can't remember what that is because I use both bikes. I'm still getting used to what the voltage is on both of them. Let's go this way. Okay, this came to an abrupt turn. Yeah. It's too fun. Bolt chains are still good. One thing I am worried about breaking is the belt drive. I ordered a 219 chain kit. I just never changed it because I'd rather just wait until the belt breaks. Oh, there's a train. Let's go, bike, let's go. There's like a little road. Oh yeah, let's get into this building. Dude, that's too fun. They're making a dust storm. 61 volts, or 61.2, I'll say. Yeah. This is is the best thing I've ever bought for myself in probably the last couple years. Ooh, it's bumpy. Yeah, that is too fucking fun. Oh, this is the new road that they're making. Let me give you a view of what it looks like. You guys can see all that. This bike is making some squeaky noises now. Wow, super fun. If I go to my buddy's house, shit, I gotta go over the railroad tracks again. I forgot about that. My buddy's good, so I am going to head over there to his house. I should have brought my charger. I could have got a little charging and came back, but I didn't want to go lower than probably 50%. Oh man, God, I love this thing. Okay, gonna be time to wash this bike after doing this. All right, let's go up this one more time before we head out. I let off about halfway. There's no point. Not trying to launch off of it. I can see where people now say the shocks are good to have if you do a lot of off-roading. My buddy lives right across the street, so I had to get somewhere where I get in the parking lot. Yeah. It was too fun. Alright, it's time to go to my buddy's house. I'm going. Woo! Did this turn in? I think it's this one. Or is it the first one? Oh god, I don't remember. No, it's the next one. Oh man, a bug hit me right in the eye now. Oh Lord. What's up? It's saying we're at 63% battery. 59 volts. Actually, if I let off, it's 60. But when I'm on it, it's about 58, 59. All right, we're gonna get back. I got the footage I needed. very fun experience. Why is there blinker on? Super fun. We're at 63 battery, 62 roughly, and we're hitting 50 still, so 51, and it's a little windy, so that's awesome, man. I love the Sur Ron for that. I love it. It was funny, one of my buddy's friends, he saw my bike sitting at the garage, my buddy's house, and he was like, you need a helmet to wear this thing? And I was like, well, yeah, I mean, it does 60 miles an hour. Like, people don't know it goes that fast. But it's just funny because it has pedals on it, so I think he looked at it as an electric bike. So that's kind of cool. I like that. I was gonna fly past everybody like I normally do, but this intersection is not the best, and I should have gotten the other lane. This intersection is a little sketchy at rush hour traffic, so. With the chain kit on, I want to say I should have calculated the miles that we did today, so I don't know, but I would say at least we did 12 miles. I love that I can pedal now. I love it. Pedals are everything. Yeah, catching up to people. That's the video today, guys. That was a fun one. God, man, I need to stop working and just ride this thing everywhere. I'm just kidding. I won't be able to afford shit anymore. But I'll see you guys in the next one. I hope you guys really enjoyed this one, because it was one of my funnest rides so far. Hopefully it wasn't too boring. I'm gonna try to edit it and make it pretty good for you guys. So like this video and let me know what you think.